Here is a fully elaborated, in-depth explanation of Ipratropium Bromide, expanding each heading for deeper understanding, useful for exams, viva, and clinical practice. Number 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, Ipratropium Bromide. Drug class, anticholinergic bronchodilator, specifically short-acting muscarinic antagonist, SAMA, related to atropine but modified to reduce systemic effects. Brand names, Atrovent, single drug, Combivent, combined with beta agonist. Drug forms, metered dose inhaler, MDI, portable, commonly used. Nebulizer solution preferred in hospitals, elderly. Nasal spray for rhinitis, reduces nasal secretions. Number definition. Ipratropium bromide is a quaternary ammonium derivative of atropine used as a bronchodilator. It works locally in the lungs to relax airway muscles and reduce mucus secretion, with minimal systemic side effects due to poor absorption. Number 3. Mechanism of action. Detailed explanation. Parasympathetic nerves release acetylcholine, ACH, binds to M3 receptors, bronchoconstriction, increased mucus secretion. Ipratropium action. Competitively blocks muscarinic receptors, M1, M2, M3. Main effect on M3 receptors in airway smooth muscle. Result. Relaxation of bronchial smooth muscle, reduced airway resistance, decreased mucus production. Key point, does not affect inflammation, only bronchoconstriction. Number 4, pharmacokinetics. Absorption, very poor systemic absorption, good safety profile, acts locally in lungs. Distribution, minimal penetration into bloodstream, does not cross blood-brain barrier. Onset and duration, onset 15 to 30 minutes, peak 1 to 2 hours, duration 4 to 6 hours. Metabolism, partially metabolized in liver. Excretion, mainly excreted via kidneys. Number 5, uses, respiratory uses, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, primary use, chronic bronchitis, emphysema. Other uses, adjunct in asthma, nasal spray for rhinitis, common cold, reduces runny nose. Number 6, indications, maintenance treatment of bronchospasm in COPD patients. Relief of airway obstruction in asthma, especially when beta agonists are insufficient. Used in combination therapy with beta agonists for enhanced bronchodilation. Number 7, contraindications. Absolute, hypersensitivity to ipratropium or atrum-like drugs. Relative, narrow-angle glaucoma, benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, bladder neck obstruction. Reason, anticholinergic effects may worsen, eye pressure, urinary retention. Number 8, before taking this medicine, precautions. Medical conditions to inform, glaucoma, prostate enlargement, kidney disease. Special precautions, avoid spraying into eyes, may cause acute glaucoma attack, blurred vision. Special populations, elderly, higher risk of urinary retention, children, use under supervision. Number 9, how to use, inhaler technique. 1, shake inhaler. 2, exhale fully. 3, place mouthpiece properly. 4, press inhaler while inhaling slowly. 5, hold breath for 10 seconds. Nebulizer, add prescribed dose. Inhale mist for 10 to 15 minutes. Nasal spray, clear nasal passages, spray without inhaling deeply. Number 10, dosing information. Adults, inhaler, 2 puffs, 3 to 4 times day. Nebulizer, 0.5 milligrams every 6 to 8 hours. Pediatrics, dose adjusted by doctor. Important not for immediate relief of severe asthma attack. Number 11, missed dose and overdose. Missed dose, take as soon as remembered. Skip if next dose is near, do not double dose. Overdose, rare due to low absorption. Symptoms, dry mouth, blurred vision, tachycardia. Number 12, stop or avoid taking. Stop immediately. If allergic reaction, rash, swelling, difficulty breathing, paradoxical bronchospasm. Avoid self-discontinuation, overuse beyond prescribed dose. Number 13, side effects. Common, dry mouth, cough, headache, throat irritation. Moderate, dizziness, nausea. Serious, eye pain, glaucoma symptoms, urinary retention, palpitations. Number 14, vital information, works slower than beta agonists, best for maintenance therapy, often combined with salbutamol for faster plus longer bronchodilation. Number 15, other drugs that may affect it. Interactions, other anticholinergics, side effects, beta agonists, beneficial combination, no major systemic drug interactions. Number 16, drug comparison, ipratropium versus salbutamol. Feature ipratropium, salbutamol, class anticholinergic, beta-2 agonist, onset, slow, Fast, roll, maintenance, rescue, effect on mucus, reduces, minimal. Number 17, patient teaching for Ipratropium Bromide. Patient teaching, health education. 1. Correct use of medication. Use the inhaler or nebulizer exactly as prescribed. Do not increase dose or frequency without consulting a doctor. Learn and practice proper inhaler technique for maximum benefit. If using multiple inhalers, take ipratropium before other inhalers, unless instructed otherwise. 2. Not a rescue medication. This drug is not for sudden asthma attacks. Always carry a rescue inhaler like salbutamol for emergencies. Seek medical help if breathing does not improve. 3. Avoid contact with eyes. Do not spray into eyes. May cause blurred vision, eye pain, worsening of glaucoma. If it enters eyes, rinse immediately with water. 4. Oral and throat care can cause dry mouth and throat irritation. Rinse mouth after use. Drink plenty of water. Chew sugar-free gum if dryness persists. 5. Adherence and routine. Use regularly even if feeling better. Do not skip doses. Maintain a fixed schedule for better control of symptoms. 6. Recognizing side effects. Report immediately if difficulty in urination, eye pain or vision changes, fast or irregular heartbeat, worsening breathing, paradoxical bronchospasm. 7. Special precautions. Inform doctor if you have glaucoma, enlarged prostate. Elderly patients should be monitored for urinary retention. 8. Lifestyle advice. Avoid smoking, reduces drug effectiveness. Avoid exposure to dust, smoke, and allergens. Practice breathing exercises if advised. 9. Storage instructions. Keep inhaler at room temperature. Protect from heat and direct sunlight. Keep away from children. Step 10. Follow-up care. Regularly visit doctor to monitor lung function. Do not stop medication suddenly. Carry medication when traveling. Key teaching summary for quick recall. Use correctly regularly, not for emergency use. Avoid eyes. Report serious symptoms early. Keep rescue inhaler ready. Thank you. Have a nice day.